I am
me.
Samurai.
I'm Dunstan. William again. There's Tristan. Sorry, but just already go home from the party.
Now I will show you how to eat fast the way. So, in your home, don't eat too lazy, okay? Come on.
Tristan, look at him.
I will eat pizza and French fries. Okay. I will eat this until 10 seconds only.
Why?
1, 2, 3.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Until 10 I will shoot you.
8,
With this.
9, 10.
You are dead.
It's not yet done. I still can see the pizza over there.
Okay.
20 seconds. Try 20 seconds.
Okay.
I mean 30. So 20 seconds again. 1, 2, 3. 1.
If you don't make it, I will backstab you with this.
That's a real knife. That's a little knife.
Yeah. See?
Yeah, that's a real knife. Be careful, kids. Don't play with knives.
Yeah.
But this is a real knife because we need it to slice the pizza. So yeah.
Or I'll shoot you with this.
No!
Just kidding.
Put it back.
Oh my goodness.
Come on. Oh, I even haven't gone. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, come on, man. It's still a lot. 14, 15, 17.
I'm so full.
19, 20. Failed. You failed.
No, it's not yet 30, you know. You failed.
Hey, just now we have 10, right? But now we have 20. 10 plus 20 equals 30.
No. You don't make money 30. If you do that, I will gonna.
Do you guys have fun in my home?
No.
Fine then. How about you, Sam? Do you have fun in my home?
Of course.
So yeah, he failed.
No, not. Who don't?
Fastly.
If you don't make it fast, I will shoot you with this spoon. Okay.
Don't.
No, just kidding.
Hey, Tristan, it's going to use your bow.
It's okay. You see that? Wait.
17, 18.
Aha! It's a knife. It's in here. Backstab it.
19.
See what is this? I do the trick.
This
Haha. You're about to die.
almost 20. 19. 91. 92.
If you I'm done, no?
Done.
Yeah.
Done.
How do you do?
Yes, he did it. 40 seconds.
Wait.
Hey, Tristan, he's playing your slime.
It's okay. Whoever mess with me, I will shut you.
Okay, that's all for today, guys.
Nope, he's still playing some slime.
Video about eating or slime.
I don't know.
You eat slime? Oh my goodness.
Can we not upload this?
Yeah, we should upload that.
Why?
I don't know.
That's not real slime. it, guys, for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy.
And
See you in the next video.
And you
Bye.
see this thing.
Hey, shut up.